Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use a mini terminal. Mini terminal is a function of MT4 Supreme Edition. MT4 Supreme Edition is an add-on to the regular MT4 platform. However, it has around 65 additional tools which you can use for trading, and mini terminal is being one of them. So what is mini terminal? Mini terminal is an expert advisor which helps you open positions on the chart with preset templates. So for example, you want to open a trade with 2% risk and 30 pips stop loss. This can be all done within one click only. So in order to use the mini terminal, you have to make sure that you have auto trading enabled, otherwise it will not work. Then you click on it and you drag it on the chart. Press OK and the mini terminal will appear. It also has the simple functionality of just buying or selling on the platform. So when you click, for example, sell, you just confirm and the position is entered. In order to close it, you can double click here, go to market execution, close a trade. Done. How can we use templates? You can create templates by clicking on this button here, yellow button. So let's say I want to create a template that when I click on it, it will use 5% of my equity and place a sell position. So we don't want this fixed lot size, but we want percentage of our balance. We put here 5%. Stop loss, I like it in pips, so I usually use 30 pips for my stop loss. I do like a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3, so I put a take profit also to 90. I don't use trailing stop, however, mini terminal gives the opportunity to also trail your stop in pips. I'm not going to put it this time. So now all you have to do is click save template, name it. I'm going to name it 5% sell. Just double check the details. Sell, percentage of balance, pips. Yeah, save. Now this template has been saved and I'm going to close this. So how do you then use the template? Very simple. You use your keyboard and click on CTRL and at the same time click on this yellow icon. Then you will see all the saved templates. As you can see, I have already here standard 2% buy, and now this is the new template that I have just created. So now all you have to do is press on it and automatically the position is entered at the calculated percentage. As you can see, this has been 2.1 lot trade. It set the stop loss automatically and as well as the take profit. If you want, you can of course move the stop loss around here. But here's the general idea how to use those templates. And if you want to close a trade, you're free to do it just as I showed before. You can also double click, you can do a market execution and also close part of the trade and close it. This way you're still in the trade and you've taken part of the trade off, for example, if you're in profit. And yeah, this way you can manage your trades better and have higher accuracy with your trading. I hope you found this useful, and if you have any questions, you can write us an email or use our online chat function. Also, please don't forget to follow us on social media, Twitter, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This way you don't miss out on any new videos.